severe thunderstorm in Clayton County in Iowa. Probably going to affect around Jellystone and Bagley. You can see our shed off in the distance there, just off, being illuminated by the lightning. That's a very intense thunderstorm, boys. They don't come much more intense than that. That is very intense. We're really starting to get the wind here now. Strong outflow. There should be some damaging winds just south of us. It looks like the worst thunderstorm will go south of us, but very intense thunderstorm there. Very, very strong. You can see our shed when the lightning illuminates there. Continuous lightning. Continuous lightning. We're losing our lights now. Recording, but we're going to get rain here very soon, so we're going to have to pack her in. Very, very intense thunderstorm right there. We're just about here. It's just about on top of us. So for lightning concerns too, we're going to pack it in. Looking at that very intense line of thunderstorms. The wind's starting to pick up here. You can hear the trees rustling. Very, very intense thunderstorm. Very intense thunderstorm. We were starting to get some raindrops, so we kind of thought we better pack her in, but you can hear the wind. We're getting outflow right now. Very intense thunderstorm right now. Don't know if you can see those trees, but very intense thunderstorm. Very intense thunderstorm, folks. This is as intense as it gets. Very, very intensive nighttime video of a very intense thunderstorm. This here probably laying down damage right now in the Jellystone area of Bagley, just to the southwest of us. That's where they're really going to get clocked. South and west of where we're filming. We're going to get the squall line, but not the worst of it. The really dangerous cell is right where we're pointing our camera, right there to the south and west of us. Very intense activity right in there. Very, very intense thunderstorm. They don't get much more intense than that. You can hear the rumbles of thunder. Very intense. A nighttime video of a very intense thunderstorm. Nighttime video of a very, very intense thunderstorm. Severe thunderstorm. Nighttime severe thunderstorm. Not hitting us here directly, just some strong outflow, but just off to our southwest. Big time problems. This is a very intense thunderstorm. Very intense thunderstorm indeed. Very intense. One more time of this extremely intense thunderstorm. Probably not safe to be out here at this point. Very intense activity. Very strong thunderstorm. Very, very strong. Video of that very intense line of thunderstorms passing just to our south, the worst cell just south of us. Extremely intense thunderstorm right in there. Extremely intense. Very, very intense thunderstorm. Laying down 60 to 70 mile per hour winds in the Bagley, Wisconsin area. Very, very intense line of thunderstorms. Very intense cell in particular right there. What you're seeing, that's a very intense line of thunderstorms. Nighttime video of an extremely strong thunderstorm. Extremely strong thunderstorm. You're seeing the shelf cloud, everything shooting out of this thing. Very intense line of thunderstorms. Particularly intense cell around Bagley, Wisconsin. Very, very intense activity there, folks. very, very intense thunderstorm. Nighttime video of a very intense thunderstorm.